So guys, it's the village. Yeah, that's what it is. Alright, that was my friend. But anyways, I have an unboxing today from Motorcycle Superstore. If I can get it open. That's the only thing. Alright. I'll show you what I got and then I'll explain it all. Receipt. Oh, these popping things. Like the air thingies. Awesome, I needed those air thingies. Look at those. Look at those. O'Neill red pants. Sweet. O'Neill jersey. Sweet. And it's falling off. Oh. There we go. O'Neill gloves. And swing arm stickers. Pro Circuit front fender stickers. Oh, sweet! They hooked me up with some whatever it is. Some Motorcycle Superstore stickers, and I didn't even ask for them. Then I got a catalog. And that's it. I'll pause the video and then show a video about everything. Alright, what's up guys? Here's just the overall view. That's the shirt. Here's the gloves if you didn't see them. Everything's like camouflage. Pants, right there. I don't know, it's kind of a little too much red, but it's all sick. They were kind enough to give me stickers. These are all stickers too. They were very generous today, I guess. Here's my orders sheet. O'Neill. It wasn't that much money, it was all the cheap stuff because, I don't know, I'm not really that into it to get like that expensive stuff. Yeah. So anyways guys, I have a Regents, like a lot of Regences, so that's I actually had one today, and basically as soon as those are all over, I'm gonna start uploading videos like I said on my channel in the description. So like weekly videos, but I've just been really busy lately, so yeah. That's it. So thanks for watching the stuff. Yeah. Cool.